Hello students, Standard 6th, Math subject, 2nd chapter, Angles. Practice set 2, match the following. Measure of the angle, types of angle. Now this measure is given you and the types of angle is given you. Now you have to match that. 180 degree means straight angle. So we will join this with straight angle. 240 degree reflex angle, 360 degree complete angle which completes the angle, 0 degree zero angle. So question number 2, the measures of some angles are given below. Write the type of each angle. Now you have to write the type of angle. This is less than 90 degree, that means it is acute angle. 0 degree zero angle, 215 degree, that means more than 180 degree means reflex angle. 180 degree straight angle. 360 degree complete angle. 120 degree more than 90 degree, that means obtuse angle. 148 degree obtuse angle. 90 degree right angle. Question number 3. Look at the following. Look at the figures below and write the types of each of the angle. Now you have to write the types of angle. So this is of acute angle. This is 90 degree, that means right angle. Now same thing with this. This is reflex angle. The arrow is given you, that means that is reflex angle. This is straight angle. (180 degree angle). This is zero angle. This is complete angle. Use a protractor to draw an acute angle and right angle and obtuse angle. Now acute angle, how the acute angle look with the help of protractor you will draw. So first you will draw, first I will take acute angle. Now you know acute angle is less than 90 degree. So I will draw a imaginary line. In that I keep my D on this point. Acute angle means less than 90 degree. You can take any 50, 40. I am taking 40. Any imaginary degree you can take. I have taken 40 degree. So this how our acute angle look. You can give name A, B, C. Now same thing I will do with right angle. Right angle. Now you know right angle is 90 degree. Again I will draw a imaginary line. From here I have taken 90 degree. Now I will join these 2 points. This is 90 degree. Imaginary name I can give P, Q, R. Now same thing with obtuse angle. Obtuse angle more than 90 degree means obtuse angle. Again imaginary line I will draw. With the help of D I will take 120. See, 90 degree, 100, 110, 120. I am taking 120, more than 90 degree. Now I will join this point. So this is 120 degree. Imaginary name X, Y, Z. That means this is our obtuse angle. So thank you students. In the next video I will show you next.